Oh no, all the wheels are off, guys. All the wheels are off. There goes the Twinkies. Oh, they get it. Ooh, you're getting your boy right. Y'all want rims, tires, anything? No credit needed. Flexible snaps. Come over here. That Perel. They'll hook you up with rims, bro. Rims. They got rims. They're not big, but they're good, bro. They're a man of their word. They got rims. Got rims. It's not like Al and CJ on 32s over there. Now they got the good ass rims over there. They got some good rims. Come and look at them up. I'll try to get the description so we can get it down below and stuff. But man, look at that. And you get to eat too. What? Come on, yo. Getting the twisties on. Ooh, your boy's looking bright. Now, yo, both of you guys get it on, right? Here's the whip now. Sitting on some rims, looking mile high right behind y'all. There goes downtown Denver. It's my car. With the Twinkies. Did the fender, did the lights, did the bumper. What do y'all think? Oh, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Does it look good? Imagine it being all matte green. Y'all remember the old video? I got all 4 rims matching now again. I'm gonna order those lights. And then I'm gonna move forward towards these other lights. I'm gonna order those next, probably next week. It's gonna take it little by little. But what do y'all think, y'all? Come on, fam. Come on, y'all. What do y'all think? And I'm gonna do the interior, but I'm not gonna let y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna clean all that stuff out. Power wash all that. Power wash everything. Got all my tires in here. Whoa, no wonder it was going flat. I got a nail in it. I got a 15 in here. It's hidden. I'm gonna buy me another one of these, but yeah, I'm gonna fix it up. I gotta do some engine stuff towards it, but I'm not gonna show y'all right now. So this is one last look. I don't know what to call it. This is my project for sure. Just wanted to make it look good. It's a V6 3.5 liter, so I think I'm gonna swap the engine by next year. Let me know. Let's get to know each other. Subscribe. Let's get it. Just like, share, subscribe, comment below. Help me get into this. Let's get 1,000 subscribers and let's move up on the game. I'll give it, as soon as we reach up to 1,000, I'll get another car and I'll start hooking it up. I'll put my signature on it, roll around with it for a little bit, probably raffle it. I'm gonna keep this one for a minute because this is my project car and I love this car. So let's get up to 1,000 and let's get it.